Let's convert this binary number to a float using the IEEE754 floating point standard. So we first write our number in the following form according to the standard. So we have -1 to the power of the sign. So because our number is negative, s is 1. And now shifting our decimal point such that there's only a single 1 to the left of the decimal point, we have 1 point, the mantissa, which is 10101, and that's multiplied by 2 to the power of the signed exponent. So here we shifted the decimal point 3 places, so we have 2 to the -3. So our first bit is our sign, which is 1 for a negative number, and our signed exponent is -3, which we need to convert to an unsigned exponent. So here we add 127, and therefore EU is 124. So I'll leave it for you as an exercise to convert this to binary, and using 8 bits you'll get the following result. And next we store our mantissa, which is this number over here. So that will be 10101. And then fill the rest of the bits with zeros. And therefore to convert back to our original number, we have -1 to the power of the sign bit, and that's multiplied by 1 point, the mantissa, which is 10101, and the rest zeros, and that's multiplied by 2 to the power of the signed exponent. So the signed exponent is the unsigned exponent minus 127. So 124 minus 127 gives -3. So from this we have a negative, and then this number times 10 to the -3 will give you 0.001, and then we have 10101 and the rest zeros. And you can drop the trailing zeros to get our final number. Please subscribe, like and comment to help me reach more students.